This is what I do for a living. This is what I know how to do best. So please patronize me. And to those people who always come to me to ask, hey, what do you do for a living? Now you can see it. Stop asking further questions. This is what I do for a living. It's either I'm doing this or I'm doing nothing else. This is what I know to do best. So please patronize me. If you're not patronizing me, recommend me. You can recommend me to your friend. You can recommend me to your colleague in the office. You can share my post to them. If you see what I upload that you like and you feel like you don't have the funds or the finances to purchase, you can share it to someone you feel can actually purchase it at the moment. So this is what I do for a living. Patronize. Please support.